So, you're ambitious. You have big dreams. You want success. You imagine living the life you've always wanted. But there's a problem. You're lazy. You know exactly what you should be doing. Yet, you don't do it. And that feeling? It sticks with you. The guilt of knowing you're capable of more. But still, you don't take action. Days pass, then weeks, then months, and at some point, you just accept it. Then, New Year's arrives. You set the same goals again. This time, you feel motivated. You tell yourself, this year will be different. But soon, procrastination creeps in, like that one relative who always shows up uninvited. Before long, laziness becomes part of your routine. And you start believing that maybe you're just a lazy person. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're just stuck. And the reason? Inertia.
Viral stick figure videos are taking over YouTube and making up millions of views and generating thousands in revenue every month. Some of these channels have reached over 800,000 subscribers with just some few videos on their channels. These channels are typical examples of those channels. They are monetized on YouTube and you can confirm their monetization status on ytlargemonetizationchecker.com. You can also confirm how much each of these channels are making on YouTube on Social Blade every month. So at the end of this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these videos all for free without breaking the bank. This process is broken into 5 steps: video ideas, script generation, image generation, voiceover generation, and editing. By the end of this video, you should be able to have everything you need to make your own viral stick figure videos like what you just watched. So now let's start with the basic step, getting our videos ideas. To get our video ideas, simply come to your YouTube homepage and look for a winning video concept in that niche and extract the video summary using the YouTube summary with ChatGPT to extract the summary. Once you have your summary open in ChatGPT in a new tab, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate a script using the same format and title. This is to ensure that our video follows the same structure that is already proven to work on YouTube. Next is to ask ChatGPT to divide the script into 5 scenes. You can make it more than 5, but all depends on you. So hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to divide the script into scenes for you. The next thing we are going to do is to start generating our images for our video. To generate our images, we are going to use our reference video. Go to YouTube and screenshot an image from the reference video like this and save it on your computer. Once we have our reference image downloaded on our computer, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and click on the Upload Files button. Click on Upload from Computer and select the image that you just screenshot from YouTube. Click on Open and attach this prompt to this image, asking ChatGPT what type of image style is this. Now ChatGPT has finished analyzing the image style and this is the feedback. With this feedback, ask ChatGPT to generate different prompts for each of these scenes for you. So this is the prompt I'm using. Generate 3 different prompts for each scene to generate the same style of images with cream and brown background texture. So if you want me to share all the prompts that I'm using in this video with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me and I'm going to share a link to the prompt with you. Now click on the send button and wait for ChatGPT to give you all the prompts you need for this video. Just wait for some few seconds and ChatGPT will finish giving you all the prompts you need for this video. Now that we have this prompt ready, the next thing we're going to do is to copy the prompt and paste it in our Google Docs. So just copy everything, right click on it, click on copy, go to your Google Docs, right click inside and click on the paste button and paste it. The next step we are going to take from here is to start generating our images. There are so many methods you can use to get your stick images for your videos. The first method is by using Canva. The only reason why we are not going to use Canva is that most of these images are premium images that we will need to be on the premium plan before we can be able to have access, even though some are free but some are also not free. The next option you have to get your stick images is by using freepik.com or using Pixabay to get your stick images all for free. But in this video, I'm going to use an AI to generate our images, and that is a Piclumin AI. So open to your browser and type Piclumin AI. Click on the first link and click on the generate for free button. Now go back to your Google Docs and start and copy your first prompt. Right click on it, click on copy, go back to Piclumin AI and paste your prompt in the description section here Now choose one of the models to use by clicking on the model and select the model type. For this video, we are going to use the Flax 1 channel. Now click on the aspect ratio and choose 16:9 aspect ratio, which is suitable for YouTube video creation. Then click on the batch or number of images to create at a go. We are going to choose the 2 and then click on the generate button to generate your first images. While we wait for Piclumi AI to generate our first image, go back to your second prompt and copy it. Right click on it, click on copy, go back to Piclumi AI, go to the description section or the chat box, paste your second prompt in. You do not need to do any settings again. All you have to do is to click on the generate button to generate your next images. So these are some of the images I've generated so far following the same steps. After generating all your images, ensure to download everything to your computer by clicking on the download button beneath the video like this to download everything to your computer. Now that we have all our images downloaded onto our computer, the next thing we are going to do is to generate a professional voiceover for our video. To do this, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to remove all the subtitles and the timestamp on the script, and also to ensure to reduce the pace. Now click on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to remove all the timestamp and also the subtitles on the video. Now copy your voiceover script one after the other and start generating your voiceover. So we're going to copy the first part, and then here, right click on it, go back to your Google Docs and paste it here. Then copy the second part of the script and paste it in your Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Let's continue. Next is to copy the script and start generating our voiceover. To generate our voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs to do that. So head over to your browser and type 11 Labs in the search. Click on the first link. Now register if you do not have an account and sign in if you already have an existing account. Head over to Voices and choose one of the voiceover options to use. Now click on the text to speech button and paste your script in the box here, and click on the generate button to generate a voiceover. Then go ahead and click on the download button to download a voiceover to your computer. Now that we have our voiceover downloaded to our computer and also our images downloaded to our computer, the next step we're going to take is to organize our footages using an editing app of our choice. For this video, I'll use CapCut to do that. So open to CapCut, click on Create Project, and import all your footages to CapCut. Now click on the import button to import all your footages to CapCut. Go ahead and select all your images and click on the open button and add that to CapCut. Once you have all your images on CapCut, the next thing you're going to do is to add everything to your timeline. Start by adding your voiceover first, followed by your images. So just tap on it and drag and drop it on your timeline. Do the same for the second image, drag and drop it on your timeline. Since our images on the timeline does not match the audio or the voiceover on the timeline, what we're going to do is to highlight all the images on the timeline, bring your cursor to the right and drag it in to match the voiceover on the timeline. So you can either drag it in or drag it out to make sure it has matches the voiceover. Now that we finished matching the voiceover with the video clips on the timeline, the next thing we are going to do is to add transition to our clips to ensure smooth flow of the video. Simply bring your cursor to the top and click on the transition button and choose one of the options available and use. There are several options available. You can go through all the options and choose the one that resonates with you. For this video, I'll use a mix transition. So simply drag and drop it in between the clips like this. Click on OK. Now tap on the transition that you added to the timeline. Bring your cursor to the right and click on Apply to All button to apply the same effect on all the clips. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add a bit of animation to our video. Bring your cursor here and click on the animation button to use any of these animations available to animate your video clips. So I'm going to use this one for the first one. Then I'm going to click on the second clip and use the screen wide. Then come to the second one and choose the zoom to animation. Then you can change it again and use the zoom 1. Then go to the next one and repeat the same animation. Now we finish adding animation to all our video clips. The next thing we are going to do is to add captions to our video. Simply bring your cursor here on the top and click on captions. Now click on the generate button to generate captions for your video. This you have to wait for some few seconds for your caption to be generated for you. Now that we have our captions ready, the next thing we are going to do is to format the text on the screen by tapping on one of the text. Then bring your cursor here and choose a reasonable font size to use. So we're going to go with 9 for now and come to the pattern and choose bold to make sure your text are bold enough on the screen. Now move to the case and click on the title case and use that. And click on the template button to choose one of the templates to use for the video. Most of these videos that I see uses a template like this.
So, you're ambitious. You have big dreams.
Now the next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the text on the screen by dragging and dropping it somewhere here. So I'm going to also reduce the text size on the screen a bit to make sure it's not too loud on the screen.
You want success. You imagine living the life you've always wanted.
So now this is how our video is going to look like. The next thing we're going to do is to add a background music to that. So go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a background music idea for the video. Now hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to give you the feedback. Now that we have the feedback from ChatGPT, we are going to copy one of these titles and look for it on the YouTube Studio audio library. Copy one of the title like this, right click on it, go to your YouTube Studio library, come to the YouTube audio library on YouTube Studio, and then click on the search or filter library, click on the search button and paste your title here. Then click on the apply button and see if you are going to get videos related to that title. So there are a lot of videos related to that. Simply click on the preview button and play to see. So after making a choice, click on the download button at the right and download that to your drive. Now let's go back to CapCut and import this background music to CapCut. Click on the media and then click on the import button and select the background music you just downloaded from YouTube. Click on the open button and import that to CapCut. You can go ahead and then add the background music to your timeline. So simply select the background music like this and add it to your timeline. Now let's delete the dead end of the background music. Bring your pointer here and then use the delete to left button to delete the dead end and drag it to the beginning of this video. Since the background music is longer than the video, we are going to bring the pointer here and use the delete to right to delete the excess on the timeline. Now adjust the background music by tapping on the music or selecting the background music on the timeline and bring your cursor to the top and use the volume button to reduce or adjust the volume so that it does not overpower the main voiceover on the timeline.
Imagine living the life you've always wanted, but there's a problem.
Now the final thing you're going to do is to click on the export button and export the video to your drive. Now rename the video with the appropriate name and also export the video with the highest resolution available and click on the export button to export the video to your drive. This is how easy it is to create this video. Now you can go ahead and share the video with the entire world. So what do you think about this viral stick video niche? Is this something you're going to give it a try? Let me know that in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel and also leave a comment in the comment section what the next video YouTube is suggesting for you on this channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.